A for me. Let's sing, let's learn, take a letter at a time, with 2 fun words in rhythm and rhyme. I is for ice and igloo clothes. J is for juice and jacket both. K is for kite and key to a door. N is for nut and book to writing galore. O is for ocean and oven to bake. P is for pencil and puzzle to make. Q is for question and quilt to keep warm. R is for rose and rainbow after a storm. Let's sing, let's learn, take a letter at a time, with 2 fun words in rhythm and rhyme. S is for star and sunshine so bright. T is for train and table just right. U is for urn and umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin and bass that stays. W for window and water we need. X is for x-ray and xylophone speed. Y is for yo-yo and yard to play. Z is for zipper and zoom OA. Now we know our ABCs, with 2 great words as easy as can be.
A for apple, B for ball, C for car, D for drum, E for egg, F for fish, G for gun, H for house, I for igloo, J for jug, K for kite, L for lollipop, M for mingo, N for nest, O for orange, P for pen.